Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders Live, live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Here's a brief disclaimer. Here's my contact details, but more of that at the end of the show. Today, AI Traders Live will be focusing on FANG stocks. We'll look at the FANG stocks plus a few other ones. These are Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Adobe, Google, Netflix, Nvidia, Tesla, and Microsoft. We're going to look at these stocks from the Fulgent AI artificial intelligence engine perspective. We've got 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies that we'll be looking at: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now the codes next to them are the identification number of the AI. More on that a little bit later. Brief top of the iceberg, or the top of the high-level explanation of how artificial intelligence work. For those of you that's new to AI Traders Live, artificial intelligence using neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic do 10 to the power of 200 possible different stock market indicators and market relationships. So the AI literally goes in and calculates all the possible combinations of the technical indicators, for example. 10 to the power of 200. That's the magic number. This is just the tip of the iceberg explanation. We won't go into too much detail. There's plenty of the other shows to get some background information on this. But in essence, what the AI does is it goes out there using genetic algorithms, identifies high probability trades using all available technical indicators with all available settings and testing that with all variables available. So it literally comes up with the best of the best in terms of trading strategies. Okay, that brings us to these 4, and we're going to jump straight into the MetaStock platform looking at the FATMANFANG stocks up next. So I've got the MetaStock platform open. I select the power console, and over there I select my FATMANFANG stocks. There's about 9 of them in the collection. I'll expand it as we go along, adding some interesting names. And also make sure you've got your Fulgent AI Expert Advisor attached to the chart, because that loads the artificial intelligence indicators on that particular chart. So here's all the FATMANFANG stocks, and I've got the first one up, Apple. We can see we've had a tremendous rally since the March low here. There was plenty of volatile signals there. A few got stopped out there, but the last few really worked out well, caught most of that move. Got out close to the top, then had a few other volatility breakout signals in Apple, but so far so good. The latest signal here was at 123, and it's now 134. The AI adjusts the stop loss. It was set at 118. It is now volatility adjusted 127. So that's the current trailing stop loss of the most recent artificial intelligence signal. And my profit target here would be this old high, would be the first level of resistance to get past. And then these old highs here at the top, that would be the next. These are the 2 upside resistance targets to look out for on Apple. Okay, we're going to the next one, Tesla, for example. Yeah, fantastic volatility breakout trade here. Still in the money. Note where the artificial intelligence stop loss is at 508. It's now been moved up to that level there. It'll come in a minute. Hold on. If it is there, it's not loading. That's about 634. That's the trailing stop there. The upside targets here is this old high here. That's the next upside resistance target for this current rally. So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to get to 771 for a profit target. But so far so good. The last volatility breakout trade worked out well. There was a quick short sell there. Another volatility breakout here back in March, which worked out well. So far so good. All trades working out very well for Tesla from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. Here's the quick move. Quick to the downside, volatility breakout. That trade lasted for that entire move. And then the very last one there got stopped out, but we caught most of the November-December rally. And also now caught the March-April rally, and then the May-June rally. So far so good for Tesla. Still looking strong from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. Nvidia, fantastic there. Had a huge move up here. Let me just reload this chart, go to weekly. Go back to daily. refreshes. There we go. So we can see here back in March, huge volatility breakout. That move, look how the AI adds the stop loss in, trailing stop loss. Got out there, got back in immediately, and there was another profit target there. So you can see volatility breakouts, quite a lot of shorter term swing trades from volatility breakout perspective, but the last two trades, this one in at 500 and the second one at 550, all paying off well, and it's at the target of 800 there, so it's pretty much a strong rally. Nvidia AI caught this rally perfectly. Note how the AI added the stop loss as we went on. So the current long position's got a trailing stop loss of 719, so it's quite wide to accommodate for all the volatility that Nvidia's got. So far so good for Nvidia. Netflix also caught the major rally. Let's zoom out here so we can see a bit more. You can see it back here in September, October, quite a lot of nice positive trades. And now when it's moving sideways, quite a lot of volatile breakouts, quick moves. The most recent one is still long in at 490. Trailing stop loss here is at 472. So it's quite a, it's updated there. The new stop loss is at 505 for Netflix. So far so good. Fantastic performance using artificial intelligence trading Netflix, for example. Covered Nvidia. Microsoft's the next one. Fantastic move there. We can see, if we zoom out a little bit, how the AI catches these major market reversals. We can see this March-April rally caught most of that. Major reversal there, volatility breakout, volatility breakout, volatility breakout, and note how the trailing stop goes on. So we're still in a long here. The most recent long is in at 240. That opening bit there, open at 241. And then the trailing stop now is set at 256. So far so good. Great for the AI. New support level should be this old high here. Can be retested, but we'd like to see how it's going to respond here. But so far so good. Quite a lot of profitable artificial intelligence generated trades on Microsoft. So that's another fantastic, nice one. Google and Facebook and Amazon and Adobe, we still got to cover. Yeah, we can see fantastic move up here. March, huge volatility breakout, volatility breakout, volatility breakout. So trailing stop just goes up and up and up. So caught this major market reversal move here at 1400, and the first time it actually did hit the trailing stop there was at 2300. There was a quick short move there, but not noteworthy. But so far you can see a fantastic move. Caught a giant move in Alphabet, Google. Took a while for it to really move, but caught that rally in here at 1400 and taking profit at 2324. So fantastic performance for Google coming out of the AI. Facebook. I need to refresh the commentary here, but if we look at just refresh that, reload that one. There we go. You can see a fantastic trades back here. The big trade started here. Few hit stop losses down there, but from March, huge move, volatility breakout, huge move. Another one, volatility breakout, huge move. So the current the last two trades were in at 260 roughly. Let me just put it on here. And the other one was in here at that level there. Volatility breakout. Note the stop loss trailing at 292, trailing up to 312, trailing up to 323, and now the trailing stop there is at 329.81. That's the current trailing stop for this phenomenal performance from Facebook, all using artificial intelligence. The last one we're looking at is Adobe, Amazon and Adobe. Amazon also moving very well. If we can just refresh the commentary. I don't know that. No, that's a different Amazon, but in any case. You can see a huge volatility breakout, nice move, volatility breakout, volatility breakout, volatility breakout, caught huge move. Most recent volatility breakout is a in at what was that? In at that level there. Currently in the money, and then the trailing stop, very wide trailing stop, 2678, quite wide considering that it's accommodating for that volatility within that base. But so far so good. Still in along there and moving well. That's actually the weekly chart. Let's go back to the daily. Oh yes, there we go. There's another volatility breakout, and the trailing stop loss is this level here, 3360. So that's the trailing stop loss on Amazon. But so far so good. Fantastic trades on Amazon using artificial intelligence on its own, screening for the fat man's fangs. And then I think Adobe is the other one that I need to cover. Quick move back here in March. You can see huge move, caught most of that move, volatility breakout, another quick move, and then when it's moving sideways, another volatility breakout. So the last two trades are really good. This one, yeah, trailing stop there, hit that trailing stop, and then another quick move came in, and that level is in at that level there. And then you can see that's still in the money, as this one went very well. So that's the trailing stop loss there, and one would think it is going to be moving up as we go along. But so far so good. The last trade in at 487. So that's doing very well from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. So I think we've covered all of them. Google, Adobe, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, and Netflix, all looking strong, and the AI has adjusted the trailing stop losses accordingly. But so far so good, winning these FATMANFANG stocks, trading it with artificial intelligence. If anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own AI, you can go to the following link, metastock.com/alphaharvest3 for 1. You get 3 months of the price of 1. Be sure to mention the AlphaHarvestF promo code. Or if you already got the Metastock platform, you can go to metastock.com/alphaharvestF for the Fulgent artificial intelligence deal. There's a fantastic discounted deal provided you mention the AlphaHarvestF promo code. Until next time, happy AI trading.